a perfect example of taking horror and blending in social commentary, right? And putting those together so the horror is that one extra level above what you thought it could be, right? And that's what makes it stand out. That's what makes it Oscar-worthy, right? He's doing exactly what Toni Morrison did, but he's doing it in film. He's still talking about the horror of slavery and what it meant to this country in a whole different type of story, which I think is really cool. I think it's cool because all of this is coming full circle now as Netflix is about, no, excuse me, CW is about to open a new show called the Shelley Society about Mary Shelley and all her buddies who battled monsters back in their own day, which sounds an awful lot like a redo of Buffy, just with a famous character in it, right? I think that's going to be really fascinating. I really want that to work. It's being done by the gentleman who's doing Riverdale, which is taking the Archie comics and readapting them. I think that's pretty cool.